guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 5 of Python tutorials for kids playlist. In this video, we'll be learning about operators in Python. If you have not watched my part 4 video, go and watch it. I'll provide the video link in the description box. So without wasting any time, let's start.
So let us start our video. I'll open my Python IDE here and I'll maximize this window. So operators are the normal functions which we use in our daily life, such as addition, multiplication, division and more. We use Python as a calculator too. So you can just write the numbers and you can use addition, subtraction and any other symbols. So I have used a simple code here such as 3 plus 43 and I got 46 here. So you can add more numbers like very big numbers. You can add numbers of any digits and you get the answer. So you can use Python as a calculator too. So you can also multiply numbers such as 21 minus 3 is equal to 18 and you can also multiply numbers 32. So to use multiplication you have to use star symbol. And you can also divide two numbers such as 21 divided by 3. So to use division you have to use slash symbol and I got 7.0. So if you divide numbers in Python you get the numbers in floats. So I'll quickly create new file to write code here. And now I'll add simple codes such as A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 21. So if you want to add two variables then you should use print function and you can just use A plus B or the variable's name. So I'll say the document as v4 operators, and if I run the code I get 33. So 12 plus 21 is 33. You can also subtract these numbers. So to subtract two numbers you have to use minus symbol, and you can also multiply these numbers. So I'll multiply 12 and 21, then you get 252. So you can do the same thing in CMD too. So I'll open my CMD here and I'll write 21 plus 21. So before that I have to enter Python. So now I'll add 21 plus 21. I get 42 here, and 21 minus 2 I get 19. 21 into 1 I get 21. 21 into 2 42. 21 divided by 3 I get 7.0. So you can do the same thing in CMD too. So now I'll close the CMD and I will quickly open my previous video's code and I'll copy the code and paste it here. So first I'll comment this code here and now I'll paste the previous video's code. So I'll remove the subject and name f strings. So if I run the code now, I get hi, my name is Niranjan, I got 80.5 in my test. So you can also multiply numbers here such as 10 into 10, and if I run code I get hi, my name is Niranjan and I got 100 in the test. So you can also multiply or use operators inside the print function, such as I'll add hi. So I'll add 5 plus 6 is, and you can write the operator here. So as we use 5 plus 6, I'll add 5 plus 6. So you have to use here, and I get 5 plus 6 is 11. So I'll copy the code and paste it here. So I'll paste it 3 more times and I'll use 5 minus 6 5 multiplied by 6, 5 divided by 6. And I change this here too. And if I run the module, I get all the answers. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 5 into 6 is 30, 5 divided by 6 is a big number. So you can use operators in this video. So there are more operators in Python. So I'll quickly open python.org website, or else I'll operators in Python docs. So I'll open this tab, and as you can see that there are lots of operators here. So let us write some more examples here, such as I'll create a variable, another variable here. A is equal to 21, B is equal to 21, and if you want to know which number is bigger, so you can use print A is lesser than B, then run module, we get false because A is not lesser than B. And if we use equals to symbol, so we got an error message here. So let us use another function, so we get false here. So if I change this number to 32, and if I run the code, I get false. And if I change the operator, I get true because A is lesser than B, so we got true. So these are the comparison operators, and you can also use, so if we use exclamatory mark and equals to, this means that print A is not equal to B. So if we run the module, we get true because A is not equal to B. So if we change this to 21, and we get false because A is equal to B. So these are some operators in Python. So we'll be learning more on operators in the input function and upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe, code with Niranjan too. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye.